And it goes a little something like.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shivani and my today's topic is hostel room essentials. So without any further delay, let's get into the video and make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram, link in the description box below. The first thing that you will need is a good eye mask, because whoever is going to be your roommate, उसका और तुम्हारा schedule कभी नहीं मिलने वाला, or they might have an exam the next day and they might want to keep the lights on the entire night. So instead of getting irritated and frustrated, invest in a good eye mask. और वैसे भी सबकी स्लीप साइकिल बहुत डिफरेंट होती है, सो सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम टॉर्चर, because we cannot really force somebody to stop and sleep because you want to sleep. So be prepared. And why not? Because not all of you will have the luxury of having your own room. सबको सिंगल रूम नहीं मिलता है, और in first year and probably in second year as well. So that's why this is the most important thing. So next is earphones. Invest in a good earplugs, because sometimes we get a roommate who is always on call and they will make you listen the whole conversation, which is very irritating. So earplugs are everyone's best friend forever. And if you are a music lover like me, so you can also purchase this type of headphones. The next thing is extension. Usually hostel room में एक ही सॉकेट मिलता है, लेकिन अगर आपको साइमल्टेनियसली चीज़ें चार्ज करनी हो, सो दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. एक में लैपटॉप चार्ज कर सकते हैं, एक में फ़ोन, एक में ऑल आउट, एंड लास्ट इज़ फॉर टेबल लैम्प. एंड परचेज दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सटेंशन कॉर्ड जिसकी वायर बहुत बड़ी हो और आप उसको अपने बेड तक भी ला सकते हो. So do invest in a good extension cord which has high power and high resistance, so that your appliances don't get affected. Next is medicine kit, which has basic medicine for fever, sore throat, headache, cold, etc. I always carry Disprin with me because मेरा सर बहुत दुखता है, so I always stock up with this, and this kit will be very helpful. The next is shower gel. Carry a shower gel with you, because carrying a soap in a public washroom becomes very messier, and with soap you also need to purchase soap case. So shower gel is the best option for public washrooms. Next is water bottle. Try to carry at least 2 water bottles with you, because it will save your time and energy a lot. Sometimes it becomes very irritating to fill one bottle again and again, so try to carry 2 or more than 2 water bottles with you. Next is perfume. This is a life savior. I can't really explain how helpful and important is this. And if you have a problem of space, then you can carry this small pocket perfume with you all the time. Next is dry fruits. Try to carry packaged food with you. This will come handy when you are looking for a snack. This is so important that you will realize that you are getting energy with this only. This is something जो बहुत help करेगा. Next is clips. Clips for drying your clothes, because you will be washing your clothes by yourself and many people miss out on this. And some extra stationery with you. Next are some random things like safety pin, small lock, but be extra careful with its keys, and this earbud pack. This is usually very important for girls to correct their eye makeup. Next is this small table. Do invest in a good table which can take the basic load of your books and laptop. And we always end up studying on bed itself. So it is a very important thing. And other than this, कुछ हॉस्टल्स रूम में ज़्यादा फर्नीचर नहीं मिलते हैं, तो ये बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है. Table lamp, because it is very useful when sometimes your roommate have problem with the time schedule you follow, and his study time is different and yours is different, so this might create a difference. So that's why this table lamp is very important. So the next item is yoga mat. Obviously you can do yoga on it, and you can also use this as a carpet. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe.